Zeus, there's one task I keep getting: configuring and generating reports, invoices, payslips, all sorts of business documents. The kind of thing people used to do in Crystal Reports or SSRS. Would that be hard in DataPallas?
Not hard at all, Leo. That's exactly what DataPallas is built for. Watch, you'll pick it up in no time. We'll build a real invoices report. Not a toy, but nothing exotic. Just the kind of thing you'll actually be asked for.
That's perfect. Invoices is one of the first things my boss ever asks me for.
One thing before we start. Wherever you'd write something, this button's right there. Remember it. It follows you the whole way.
Nice! We've got the Hey AI Help Me button here too.
Now, every report needs just two things. First, a data source, where the data comes from.
Where the data lives. Got it.
Second, the output template, how it's rendered into a document. Fetch, then render. That's the whole shape of it.
Fetch, then render. Simple enough.
You'll touch a little SQL or script on the data side, some HTML on the template side. But don't panic. Remember why?
Hey AI, help me?
Exactly. Hey AI, help me right where you need it. Fetch, render, done. Huge flexibility, almost no complexity. It starts here, in Configuration, under Reports, Connections, and Cubes. Give the report a name and tick Report Generation. That's the capability that turns your data into finished documents. Our report's in the list now. Pick it, press Load, and here, press Yes. And look, the reporting configuration shows up here in the left menu. It's there for one reason. We ticked Report Generation when we made the report. First tab, Licer, where the report's data lives and how it's fetched. It starts with one field, the input type. Open it and you've got everything. Files, spreadsheets, SQL, scripts, whatever it takes to pull your data in. For invoices, we pick script. It can pull from several tables and reshape the data first. Right next to the input type, the database connection. That's the database this report reads from. Here's the script. It reads each order, then its line items, a master, and its details. That's an invoice. But you don't write it. Describe the invoice in plain words, and Hey AI, help me writes the script. And Run Test Script proves it on the spot. Result or error. Safe to press, too. A report only ever reads.
So, point it at the data, let AI write the script, give it a quick test. That's the whole data side?
That's it. Now the fun part. The Output Template tab, where we decide how it looks. Same idea. Open it and pick what you need. PDF, Excel, HTML, Word, whatever the document has to be. For invoices, we want PDF. So we pick Apache FOP. Fast and pixel perfect. For PDF, it's the best there is. And this template builds the page. Header, line items, totals. Every part of the invoice, right here. And you guessed it, you don't write this either. Hey AI, help me builds the template, exactly as you need it.
The AI writes the template too? Zeus, I've barely typed a thing.
That's the whole point! Now, the Generate screen. Pick the report and run it. And you're never guessing. The logs stream live, line by line. You see everything as it happens. And when it's done, there they are. One PDF per invoice, waiting in the output folder. Open one, and there it is. A finished invoice. Customer, line items, totals. Ready to send.
Nice. I feel like I could already do this myself. Back in the day, building a report like this in Crystal Reports was so much more work. But Zeus, invoices are one thing. I'll also need Excel documents, crosstab reports, HTML. Can I do those too?
Of course. Same idea as the invoices. And again, Hey AI, help me, does the writing. And you never start from scratch. We keep a whole shelf of ready samples. Excel, crosstab, HTML, you name it. They're one click away, the Samples button, right here on the Processing tab. Here's the whole shelf. Pick what you need. This one's a crosstab, exactly what you were asking about. Every sample's got a Learn More button. Click it, and the sample explains itself. Each one explains itself, what it shows, reads, and produces. And the button that matters, View Configuration. Open it, and you see exactly how it was built. DataSource, template, all of it. So next time, you'll already know how. And Try It doesn't just show you. It runs the sample right there and generates real documents.
Wow, so many I can just browse and learn from. That's exactly what I was after.
A few minutes, Leo, and you can already build any business document you'll ever need. Powerful, isn't it?
Yes, Zeus, it's powerful. But that Hey AI, help me button, how safe is it with my business data?
A fair worry, but a relief. The AI never touches your database. Not once.
Never? Then how does it write my SQL?
The button hands you a prompt, your table and column names, never a row of data. Paste it into any AI and it writes the SQL or script.
And I paste that back into DataPallas, so my data never leaves the building.
Exactly. Better still, DataPallas can launch ChatGPT for you, unauthenticated. No login, no data, and you can swap in Copilot if you prefer.
Then you've convinced me, Zeus. AI helps my work without me exposing almost anything to it.